Good morning, morning. Today is another day. We are in the kitchen. We are making mandazi. So in our recipe, we are going to use our self-raising. So we are not going to add baking powder. We are going to use our margarine. We have Prestige. We have 2 eggs and of course sugar. Then to flavor it, we are going to add vanilla essence. So let's sit down and watch as we do this. And remember kindly to subscribe, to like, to share, and also to watch till the end. Thank you as we do this. So first we are going to melt our butter. We need sorry guys, I'm filming as well as preparing, so bear with me. I do not have a tripod stand. This mandazi is for very few people, for 2 people in fact, to be precise. So we are going to melt about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. So that's enough. So in low heat, let's melt our butter. So our butter is already melted. Yeah. So what we do, we add to the mixing bowl it is easier to mix your butter with sugar with other ingredients when it's melted. So now we go in with our sugar, about 2 spoons. Some little salt, just little salt. Then now go in with our egg. We're going to use 1 egg. Mix thoroughly. Then we are going to add vanilla essence. Just like that. It is more than enough. That is for flavor only. You know, when you are making this mandazis for kids, they want to taste the different flavors. You can either do vanilla, you can do lemon, you can do any flavor you want. So today we are doing vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. Then now we go in with our self-raising flour. thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. Then we go in with our milk. And you mix the ingredients thoroughly. Thoroughly, guys. Thoroughly. I love mandazi. When you follow my ingredients, guys, you love mandazi for the rest of your life. You will love them. So allow me to mix. I'm still the one holding the camera, so allow me to mix. So we are mixing. Make sure you knead until the dough is firm. Make sure that it's not sticky. So you just continue. As you continue kneading, you are also removing air, and you allow the mandazi to be compact. The dough to be compact, so that when you bake, you start frying the mandazi, they will come out very nice. So let's continue kneading. So our dough is ready. Very ready. So the next step is that we are going to cover it for about 10 minutes to allow it to sit. So for about 10 minutes, then we come back. So in my usual pan, I add oil for frying. I don't put a lot of oil. This is the magic, guys, I'm telling you. Sometimes, save. Be economical with whatever you're doing. Eat well, less budget. So this is our pan. I like frying it, my mandazi in my pan. And somebody was making fun of my pan, saying that it's very hot. Don't worry, guys. But still, you can support me, buy a new pan. No problem. I'll not say no. But for now, let us use what we have. So let our oil heat as now we prepare our mandazi. So let's do it. Already our oil is on fire. So let's prepare the rest. So on a flat surface, just you roll your dough. Usually put some flour to avoid it sticking, but make sure as you roll, you roll until the flour disappears or dissolves in the dough, so that you don't make your oil be black very early. Don't mind about the shape, guys. Remember, I am filming. That's why while I'm doing all this just for you guys. So like that, we get our knife. We cut into sizes of your choice. Because I'm doing for the house, I don't need big ones. You can do rectangle, you can do square, you can do triangle, you can do circle, you can just cut any shape of your choice. Yeah, so this is the first batch. Meanwhile, our oil seems to be hot, so let us use this one to test whether the oil is hot enough. It's not bad. So we just need one to test, to check whether the oil is hot enough. So now our mandazi for testing looks so nice. So this one tells you that our cooking oil is well hot. So now, without further ado, let's go in with the rest. Let's add more and more and more. Nice. So this one. Let's add. So if you don't want your mandazi to burn and taste bad, you keep on turning them so that they can cook evenly. You don't want one side to overburn, so you keep on turning like that. Keep on turning until they get the desired golden brown color. Guys, look at that. So nice. So nice, guys. Wow. Can your mother equal to me? Can you equal to my cooking, guys? Look at that. I love it. Nice. Okay, guys. So these ones. And when you keep on turning, your oil remains very clean because none burn. So these ones, they are done. Okay. Done. You make sure you don't burn your oil. You see, like this one was almost getting done. So you keep on turning to ensure that they are evenly cooked. So let's go in with the next. the next batch. If you feel the fire is a lot, so you reduce. I have reduced. Make sure you don't. Make sure they are evenly cooked. Your mandazi are the same color. You don't want to see other mandazis which are black. Meanwhile, you see, and be careful. Perfecto. Perfecto, guys. Perfecto kabisa. So nice. We are still testing. Look. So these ones are also well cooked. So guys, our mandazi are fully cooked. Look at that. So nice. You can serve them with tea, you can serve with juice, you can serve with anything. So welcome. In our case, we are going to take them for our breakfast, so we are going to serve it with tea, coffee, and also others will take with cocoa. So for now, kindly remember to like my videos, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and subscribe, guys. Support this channel. Let us roll to 10,000 subscribers. Roll to 10,000 subscribers. Like, watch the videos to the end. Comment, tell me where we are going wrong, what you like about our recipes. Just comment. Be positive, guys. So until next time, adios amigo, bye bye. I love you.